Hey, I'm Roland. Buckle up. Today, we're driving into the thrilling world of Laptime simulations. 7 years ago, we took the industry by storm, delivering cloud-computed sims faster than in-house F1 teams. But guess what? We've turbocharged our tech. Our motto? Simulation as a service. Your team resources are precious, so why reinvent the wheel? We write the best software, and you guys have the thrilling job of using it to make your car faster. To make this more fun than ever, we've got a new player in the game. Michelin Simulation Services now owns Canopy. Brace yourself for even more mind-blowing advancements. Enough chit-chat, let's fire up Canopy and see the magic unfold. From the simulation homepage, first we need some inputs. We click on car. Then we press the up arrow next to a car to copy it to the ribbon across the top of the screen that we call the staging area. Select weather, select a track, and give the simulation a name and send it to the cloud computers. While it's running, let's take a look at the car editor and see what's involved in making your own car. You start with one of our example cars, and one by one, you'll swap out the sections: suspension, tires, powertrain, etc. At each point, you press Verify Car, and this runs through a series of setup checks and runs our most basic simulation to check that the car is okay. Here we've got a straight sim. The car is just going straight line, constant speed. We can click on other tabs, so the powertrain viewer will show us a torque curve. We've got the tyre ellipse. In the suspension section, you can check the kinematics. We have a handy suspension preview. This is only showing half the car. If you were running a fully asymmetric car, then it would be showing both sides of the car. Let's take a look at the track editor. So there are two ways to define a track. Firstly is a fixed racing line. The simulation must follow this line, and this could come from car data. The second option is a track outline. If you give it an outline, Dynamic Lap will automatically optimize the perfect racing line to give the minimum lap time. This is the exciting bit. Now we've run our very first lap time simulation. We can see in the overlay, we've got car speed, brake, throttle, steer. You can add any channels you like to this chart. You can change the units. You can save the templates. You can import, export. This is where your quest for lap time begins. Great. So now you've got a lap time of one car around one circuit. You can start tweaking that car and see if you can improve upon that lap time. So who's Canopy used by? F1, Formula E, F2, F3, F4, GT, Super GT, DTM, LMP, NASCAR, IndyCar, Aussie Supercars, you name it. And for you eco-friendly racers out there, we have hydrogen fuel cells and range extenders. Perhaps you're obsessed with setting the Nürburgring Nordschleife lap record. We can help with your four-wheel torque vectoring and energy deployment. If it's got four wheels, we can simulate it. Thanks for watching. If you're curious about extracting more car performance, then head over to our website blog where there's more tips and tricks.